Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina has issued a flood warning for the northeast Cape Fear near Burgot from Monday afternoon until further notice. At 9:30 a.m. Friday, the stage was 2.36 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early Monday afternoon and continue to rise to near 11.3 feet by Wednesday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 11.5 feet. Floodwaters begin to affect roads in Alligator Lake subdivision. Flooding worsens in the River Bend and River Birch subdivisions and along Crooms Bridge Road or Old Maple Hill Road.